Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I will show you how to removal and installation of headlamp of 2010 Nissan Versa. Guys, basically it's easy to remove it because it's only 3 bolts on the top and 1 bolt on the side of the fender. So this take out the first 3 on the top first. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet. So I'm going to loosen all 4 first before I remove it by hand. Go. Second one, and here's the third one. All on the top. 10mm socket and a ratchet. Go. Get it out. By your hands, fine. It's loose. There's one there. Here's the second one. Here's the third. There you go. You can see it right here. It's a fender bolt. Same one. 10mm socket. Once loose, use the socket only. The fourth one. Hey, look at this! I got a friend coming by. Just want to say hi. That's all.
You may go, grasshopper.
Okay, guys. Once you remove all the 4 nuts, what you do is pull. Don't yank it, because if you yank it hard, you can snap the wire harness in the back. So we just pull it forward a little bit. There you go. Alright, the first harness what you do is right here, use a flathead. Just push it in a little bit. Try to get open like a wedge like. There you go. And then you want to do is just pull it out. That's the first one. Alright guys, once you remove the hazard, and directional light wire harness, next one to do is the marker wire harness, which is just another clip. So you just press one of the clip and just pull it backward. There you go. And that's the marker light. And the last wire harness you want to remove is just the regular headlights and the high beam, which is one right here. So just like basically you pull backward. That's it. You need to do is pull, and you want to wiggle a little bit. It's a whole body like a 3-prong. So that's it right there. Thank you guys for watching Tech Time with T, and that is how to remove the 2010 Nissan Versa headlamp. So basically it was held by the 4 screws and also like 3 wire harness, and that is how you do it. To get this out, you actually have to watch my other video above to remove the bumper and the grill to gain access to this headlight.